Whether you're trying to get away from people or just like being closer to the water, these houseboats will have all the comforts of home and then some. This is Reacher, and here are 10 luxury houseboats that'll make you dream of a 3-hour tour. Before we get started, this episode is brought to you by the OutXE Savage 20,000 mAh rugged solar charger. Completely waterproof, it has 2 USB charging ports, so you'll never be starved for power. For more information, click on the link below. Number 10. Are you looking for that perfect destination on the water but don't want to sacrifice the comforts of home while camping? Well, look no further for your next vacation. This 65-foot houseboat yacht is the ultimate in a 5-star quality vacation. Features include a fully enclosed upper deck, 55-inch flat-screen TVs, a hot tub, and 4 staterooms which can accommodate up to 8 people. Located on Lake Powell on the border of Arizona and Utah, it comes fully loaded with everything you need for your next getaway. Rental pricing starts at just under $3,500 for 5 days. Number 9. This one is bound to turn some heads out on the water because it looks more like a house than a boat, which you would think is kind of the point of the whole houseboat thing, so we'll just chalk that up to recent design developments. Its 2 stories come in at around 2,200 square feet, making for a rather spacious boat. In addition to the 2 bedrooms, it comes standard with floor-to-ceiling impact glass, an LED fireplace in the living room, and a kitchen with all modern appliances surrounded by stone countertops. There's also an oversized bathroom with a Roman-style soaking tub, which is something anybody would love to have year-round. The asking price on this one is currently $1.5 million. Number 8. The aptly named Icon is just that, an icon for luxury houseboats. It has 4 bedrooms, each with their own bathroom. The open floor plan puts the kitchen, dining area, and lounge area all within view of each other without creating a cramped feeling. On the upper deck, there's another living area covered by a canopy with a spa that has room for up to 8 people. It even has outdoor heaters just in case it gets a little too cold for your liking. Rental pricing depends on the season, with a 3-day excursion running from around $2,300 to $5,400. Number 7. This beautiful modern home will have passersby staring as you light up the night sky. The catamaran-style single-level boat gives you the feeling of a New York-style loft, one in which the living room is directly connected to the dining and kitchen area, which is also connected to the bedroom. The sleeping area is separated with a partial wall to help maintain privacy. A sliding glass door leads to a back deck, which offers the perfect viewing platform for those on-the-water sunsets. Although it's only 500 square feet, the open floor plan makes it feel much bigger on the inside. Pricing on this one will run you $250,000. Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content and ring that bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Number 6. Living in the lap of luxury always comes with a price tag. Regarded as Britain's most expensive houseboat, the Matrix Island is no exception. A 1930s steel barge has been converted and reshaped into a mansion, creating 5,000 square feet of living space. It comes with 5 bedrooms, ensuring plenty of room for everybody on board. Sauna-style bathrooms, a floating fireplace in the lower-level living area, and an outdoor deck are examples of some of the amenities it has to offer. The price tag on this one is currently $4.3 million. Number 5. This 75-foot yacht-style houseboat is a monster. The Bravada GT, also known as the triple-decker, has 4,400 square feet filled with the best of the best. In fact, this boat is so big you can use the lower deck to dock another boat. Its 3 stories come with up to 9 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms based on the package you choose. But even the base package comes with 2 full kitchens, integrated sound and lighting systems, a built-in grill, and 9 flat-screen TVs. Yeah, you heard me right. I said 9. The 3rd level is custom designed to your liking with the option of a glass fire pit and hot tub, because nothing defines being out on the water like a hot tub in your boat. Pricing on this one starts out at $1.3 million. Number 4. Whether it's because of the name or its history, this houseboat has to be my favorite on the list. The poet Shel Silverstein lived in this World War II military boat, which was converted into a home and christened the Evil Eye. Its rustic stylings are a nod to the past, with the integration of stained glass making this house one of a kind. In addition to his many writings, Silverstein also wrote many of the early songs for Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show and hosted a concert inside it. This piece of history has a price tag of $390,000. Number 3. MOAT Manufacture released a new premium houseboat which is perfect for a weekend getaway. This floating hotel room comes standard with eco-friendly features, including systems for wastewater treatment and clean water filtration. It's made according to the needs of the owner, with a modular design that can be arranged into an apartment with sleeping for up to 4, or an apartment with an office in the back, or even a sauna. And let's be honest, we're all going to choose the sauna. Pricing on this one starts at $150,000. Number 2. This one is a crossover of a houseboat and a yacht, and that's exactly where it gets its name from. Made of molded fiberglass, the boat measures 49 feet. It can come with up to 4 bedrooms, offering plenty of room for you and your friends. The upper deck, which can be covered with an optional canopy, has seating for up to 14 people. There's also a built-in sink, grill, and fridge for all your needs when it comes to socializing on the water. It also has hidden storage built into the floors, providing extra room for those refreshing beverages. He's talking about beer again. Pricing on this one starts at $500,000. While you're daydreaming about your next on-the-water adventure, be sure and let us know in the comments your preference for seaside living. Number 1. This houseboat is becoming more and more popular as a home choice in Amsterdam. With its beautiful design inside and out, I'd probably choose to live in one. And it's in Amsterdam, so there's that too. 3 stories of sleek, ultra-modern design make this an easy choice for the top of our list. On the lower level, you have 2 bedrooms, one measuring 84 square feet and the other measuring 154 square feet. The middle level has a large open kitchen and dining area with sliding glass windows leading out onto a deck area. The upper level has a large open floor plan that you can set up however you want, as well as another outdoor deck area. It comes standard with a full kitchenette including a fridge, stovetop, sink, and oven. There's also bathrooms on the first and second level, as well as a water filtration system. Pricing starts at around $500,000.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.